KyberSwap is a decentralized exchange aggregator that allows you to swap tokens across multiple liquidity sources. Here's how to use KyberSwap. Access KyberSwap. Visit KyberSwap in your web browser. Connect wallet. Click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred wallet and follow the prompts to connect. Select a token. After connecting your wallet, you can start swapping tokens. Choose the token you want to swap from the first drop-down menu and select the token you wish to receive in return. Swap tokens. Enter the amount you want to swap, and KyberSwap will calculate the best rates across different DEXs. Review the estimated amount and fees, then confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. Liquidity pools. KyberSwap allows you to add liquidity to various pools to earn rewards. Navigate to the pools section to deposit tokens and earn returns. Track and manage trades. KyberSwap provides a simple dashboard where you can track all your swaps and liquidity activities. You can view transaction history, earnings, and gas fees directly in your wallet.